So I'm at home, trying to wipe this baby oil and glitter off my chest after a long night of tricking that strip club with the deacon board, minding my business. I go online and I see this.
Get the fuck off my porch! Get your ass off this motherfucking porch, bitch!
K. Michelle, that was beautiful. That was wonderful. That was brilliant. But I'm going to tell you what we need to do. K. Michelle, this is what we need to do. We need to sell your voice as the new K. Michelle door security system for all the annoying people that like to ring your doorbell. Yeah, swipe over so you can see all the examples. The Jehovah's Witness.
Get the fuck off my porch! Get your ass off this motherfucking porch, bitch!
Those annoying trick-or-treaters.
Get the fuck off my porch! Get your ass off this motherfucking porch, bitch!
Them badass Girl Scouts.
Get the fuck off my porch! Get your ass off this motherfucking porch, bitch!
And your annoying ass landlord.
Get the fuck off my porch! Get your ass off this motherfucking porch, bitch!
K. Michelle, get at me. Let's make this money.